Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to show you how I'm going about analyzing a Google Ads account, and I'm pretty excited about this. First thing what you'll need to do is come into the settings and beta section here, beta features, and now there's an advanced data analysis, so you want to turn that on. And as you can see, I've been working on this pretty heavily. I wanted to come up with multiple ways to analyze the account. The best way that we're going to be able to analyze is by hooking up to the API. But I need to hire a developer to do that. And so what we're going to do in the meantime is run a JavaScript. And so this JavaScript extracts all the data in the account. This is what it's going to pull to start out with. And then it puts it all onto a Google spreadsheet. So here's everything in the spreadsheet. This is one of my clients. I'm going to start asking Google Ads. I'm going to start asking ChatGPT how to analyze this data to help me do better at my job for my client. So now you can see here, you're able to attach a file. Before I had to use a Google Sheets plugin, and it never worked right. So we're just going to come over here and we're going to add that, and we're going to prompt it. I haven't made any prompts to start out with. I'm just going to go real basic here. And can you analyze this data and tell me where to optimize for more leads? So let's see what it does here. So while that's working, these are scripts that you just copy and paste, and we put our spreadsheet URL in here. You can come into Google Ads and go to Tools, and then come on over to the Scripts editor, and then you'll have a script here, and this is the Google Ads extraction. And then we just put that in here, and then run it, and then it'll run and do what it's supposed to do most of the time, although I've had it actually come through here several times, and I just plug in the error that Google Ads script editor is giving me, and then ChatGPT comes in and writes a revised script. So I've been spending about an hour doing that. So it seems like there was an error. So it's having a problem reading the sheet names. And I think that's because over here, sheet 1 is empty. So we might just go ahead and delete that sheet. And then we'll come back over to ChatGPT. And we'll go ahead and try that again. So it's a lot of back and forth with ChatGPT getting this to work right. Alright, so it wants me to re-upload the file. I'm going to go ahead and extract this again. Alright, download this to the CSV file, which I'm doing on my other monitor. So we'll just go ahead and try that again. So there's the new sheet. And it's working pretty cool. You can actually see all the work. So try reading all the sheets from the Excel file, and in a dictionary try it. And then it's using coding and things like that. So it seems like the data was successfully loaded this time. Before diving into the analysis, let's get a quick overview of which each sheet contains. So we have a keyword, ads, and ad schedules. Let's start with the keywords. And the JavaScript doesn't come from any kind of custom prompting or anything like that. It's just me asking it basic questions, which is really cool to me because that shows how advanced this kind of stuff is. So we'll just keep on plugging through here. And so this is something that I'm going to offer in my advanced accounts. So we're running into errors now, and this is how kind of frustrating this can be. That's why I want to find a developer. And if you're watching this video, if you know of a developer, you can help me out. I can write the script with ChatGPT. I just need somebody with some more knowledge to help me out. So it's going again. It's going to analyze the ads sheet again, and it looks like it's having problems again with that. Try analyzing the sheet ads. Let's just give it an exact name. Maybe that's the issue. So it's suggesting we proceed in a different manner. Let's try that again. Discuss general strategies. So it's not working. So I'm going to try is actually I'm going to download the sheet, and I'm going to go in comma separated values. Let's go. We're going to go ahead and re-upload that here. And I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm actually doing all this live, so we'll see how this works. Can we ask it what is the issue? Does ChatGPT even know what the issue is? All right, so let's go ahead and start just a brand new chat. Maybe it's getting confused. We're going to use the Excel sheet. Please analyze this data. Let's also check out our downloads. And let's just see how this Excel sheet, maybe it formatted weird or something like that. And no, it didn't. So we're going to keep on moving on with that. Let's go ahead and have it. It looks like it might be doing a little bit better now. I'm really interested in this one here. So please use number 2 to start. I'd also like to try to make a like an avatar or something along the lines that really helps out here. Summarize everything. Or to optimize for more leads. So now we're telling ChatGPT, okay, so look, it's found everything inside of the data. Now go take a look at it and go tell me where I can optimize to make it better. So this is looking pretty cool. Clicks, impressions. So top performers, the keyword boat rental and campaign CBC Seattle for Tacoma Club has the highest conversions with 5,433 clicks and 70,000 impressions. The keyword with the highest CPC is yet to be determined due to the truncated output. Focus on high converting keywords. The keyword boat rental seems to be a gold mine. Review high cost keywords, the truncated data. Can we use non-truncated data? Oh, there's a typo there because I suck at that kind of stuff. And ultimately what I'd like to do is just have one prompt. It goes through each of the tabs and then it tells me what I need to know so I can go in, fix things, make it better. So now the data is untruncated. All right. That's pretty neat. So recommendations for optimization: maximize high converting keywords. This keyword boat rental is the top performing keyword. So I'll actually check because we have a HubSpot. So I'll go check these and see if we've actually closed any leads off this. So the next thing I'd like to do is extract the HubSpot data and compare it to this now. So I'd say something like view all contacts that were created with the term boat rental from PPC or from the original source paid search, and then tell me basically if we've created any deals from that. And then we would say, okay, well, boat rental is a good one to use. So review high cost keywords. My boat club has highest CBC. Improve CTR. Long tail keywords. Audit low performing keywords. So we're just going to stop for now. One last cool feature that I'm working on right now is making these into a PowerPoint. So what I'll be able to do for my clients is offer a full analysis. So I'm going to extract the entire account. I'm going to come up with ways to look at every single metric that I can that's important to optimizing. Right now this is a very basic example. And then we're going to do something which I just found out ChatGPT can do now. So I asked it earlier, can you turn this into a presentation? And I was really surprised when it said, yes, it can. And it's going to make this in a presentation now. I'll admit there's a couple that we made already that aren't, that great. Opening these up in my other monitor. So this one, this is what it made already. And then another one before that, actually, this isn't it. Sorry. Oh, it looks like, okay. So then I had it start to make charts. And it made charts and it put them in the presentation, but it's just a little sloppy. All right, so this is live. You're seeing this for the first time here. Let's see if it made it any better this time. Yeah, I got to pay for PowerPoint. But this is so cool. It went and made a full-on report. Some of it's not perfect, so I can come in here and I'll keep tuning this stuff up. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And hopefully, I actually have data passing back, which is showing which keywords are creating customers. So I'll look at that too and see, okay, which keywords are my highest performers, but which ones are also creating customers as well. And let's go look at that. And I think what I could do is probably make a script that does something like this on like a weekly basis. So I could pretty much tune it and have it start looking for things and then spit out optimizations that I can send out to my staff and then we basically have perfect optimization, and it's done automatically, or the recommendations are done automatically. And I'll just keep on improving. I'm actually going to make more videos, so stay tuned for that. This is just part one. I wanted to show everybody what I'm starting to work on. All right, appreciate your time. Thank you. Bye.